So we're going to start off with Victoria N. in Ann Arbor. And she is talking about foreclosures from the foreclosure days in 2009. So from the foreclosure days of yore, we're going back here with Victoria. So she says, I have a certified forensic audit of a foreclosure that occurred in 2009. I had it done in 2015. According to the audit, it seems that there was some unusual behavior by my bank when they did the foreclosure. I think I want to bring a lawsuit against my bank. I have another home now, but the home they attempted to foreclose on had significant equity. What do you think? So from the sounds of this question,
wow, that is they're always loaded questions.
Yeah, was Victoria's home in this question in 2009? It was her residence that was foreclosed on? Okay.
Right, sounds like it. We have 3 law clerks at my office and several paralegals, and they assemble these questions. And sometimes I think that they just like to, they're, especially the law clerks, they're in law school. And so every question is is a loaded question because they're great for law school essays, right? Because you can write on them forever. And I tell them, find me the shorter answers, or the questions that require a shorter answer. It's a loaded question again, but there's a couple things. First, in general, Veronica or Victoria?
Victoria.
Oh, Victoria. Okay. So first thing, just generally speaking, when somebody loses a home to foreclosure and the home goes to sheriff's sale, the time to defend or to dispute that foreclosure is between the day that you lose it to sheriff's sale, that means it's gone to sheriff's sale, and the last day of redemption.
Yeah.
So in Michigan, you have a 6-month period, with certain exceptions, you have a 6-month period to redeem the property, okay? That means to get your property back. So if it goes to sheriff's sale, you get a figure as to what you need to pay the bank back in full, and you can get that property back. Now, the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals, which is a federal court of appeals, has said that if you as a homeowner are disenfranchised from your home because of a foreclosure, you can only challenge the foreclosure process or the procedures during that time. You can't go beyond the redemption period. So in your redemption period, you can file an action against the bank, but the day after the redemption expires, you don't have any further standing, is what we call it, because the mortgage has actually been extinguished. So the court's reason that if there's no more mortgage, it's been extinguished, that means you can't bring anything. There's nothing there to talk about anymore. So she had 6 months to bring her case, and it's from the day that it went to sale, okay, sheriff's sale, to the last day of redemption. Now, some homes and some properties have a year redemption. There are certain exceptions for those, and we can get into those later, but long and short of it is, you would have a year if you had the exception.